Welcome back guys on our Pajamas channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make some very cheap tools and save a lot of money. Number 1. Chipboard set square. Just cut at 90 degrees a couple of pieces of very thick chipboard and a couple of big holes for your clamps. And that's it, you will get a simple tool to hold pieces in place in seconds. So you can join them with screws, glue or dowels. Number 2. Clamps and 20mm hole system. This system consists of a series of 20mm holes spaced 20 cm apart. And the holes go through the top and into the rigid structure underneath. The holes thus become the anchor for various tools. One of these is the toggle clamp that I add to a base. The 20mm cylinder is made of hardwood, in this case it's beech. It works perfectly. Number 3. The French cleat applied to a multiple socket. I decided to use the French cleat system for its flexibility. This system is based on the 45 degrees cut. It's easy, modular and super sturdy. This system allows me to move around the workbench and always have electricity at hand. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button and leave a comment. See you. Ciao ciao.